Today we are in Coorparoo in Brisbane South to show you through a classic American style home built by Front Porch Properties, who I can safely say is not your average builder. What's your role in this?
Well, I'm the builder.
You're a very pretty builder.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm a fully licensed builder and I've got a great team of carpenters, and it has been our joy to build this home. It has been a labour of love for the last 12 months or so.
Tell me about some of the features that are important to you in creating what you would call a classic American home.
Yeah, well, I guess one of the key elements is the roof style. So we were trying to mimic that slate shingle American roof style, and so that's why we've selected the Monia Cambridge tile, because it most closely mimics that look.
And I suspect that what I'm seeing on the exterior here is a really good indicator of what I'm going to see inside.
You're probably right.
Should we go on in?
Let's do it. Come on in, Carly.
Wow.
So this is our entry here. Again, we've got the little mudroom over here. This is the 5th bedroom, or we've set it up as an office.
I love that positioning of the office, whether it becomes, you know, a bedroom or not. I think as an office space, that's perfect because of its aspect.
The French doors lead to the front porch, so you can welcome in clients that way as well.
I can get a glimpse of the big sprawling living area through there, which is looking amazing. But what's upstairs?
Well, upstairs is the original house. Wow. We actually raised the house 2 metres, so it's got a lot of the original features. So let's go have a look.
Let's go. And this is where you really get to take in the views, don't you?
Yeah, incredible city views, and just the outlook looking over the rest of Brisbane is really, really beautiful.
I feel like you would use this space a lot as a bit of a retreat to the main living area. So I always think these sort of extra living spaces are important in a home. This is where I know I would retreat to get away from like the sound of the TV and just to get away from my family.
Yeah, I wonder if perhaps Mum and Dad will come up here and have a wine on the back deck, or if maybe the kids will come up here to watch TV. I'm not sure how it will get used, but certainly very practical.
Tell me a little bit more about the materials you've used in order to achieve what I think we would both describe as a classic American style farmhouse.
Yeah, well, one of our signature things that we like to do is use the VJ panelling on the wall, but instead of laying it vertically, we lay it horizontally. Of course, we also like to use barn doors and also the wainscoting, different forms of wainscoting throughout. Another thing is the sisal carpet as well. I think that is just such a beautiful texture and feel, very hard wearing, especially for a staircase, and again, really has that coastal relaxed feel. For our roof for the back deck, again, I was trying to capture that same look as the front of the house with the slate shingle style looking roof. So we've used a different CSR Monia product there. It's the Elemental range, which is a lightweight composite product, perfect for a low pitch, and also we had traditional 900 spaced trusses, so we needed to have a lightweight product. So that product just ticked all the boxes for us. And again, still had that traditional slate shingle look.
Wow. This is a really good sized space, isn't it?
It's a huge space, really vast ceilings as well.
Yeah. And were you able to achieve that because it steps down, because it's split level?
Yeah, we've got the sloping block that goes down away from the street, and so when we raised the house, we were able to take advantage of that to get these 3.7 high ceilings.
And again, I mean, an amazing outdoor space.
Yeah, I love how the indoors and outdoors connects. Just a real great way to entertain and to live. It's definitely been set up for a very comfortable, relaxed, easy lifestyle. I love it.
You've also gone to the extent of including an outdoor kitchen, which I'm finding is becoming increasingly popular just because I guess we do have such a moderate climate, especially in Brisbane and Queensland, and we are able to have our doors flung open all day and sit outside most of the year. I love your commitment to the classic American style look in here. I'm a big fan of your flooring choices in here too. It's sort of the combination of the sisal and that slate look entry leading into the softness of the timber.
The entrance to the house is more that utilitarian area. So I wanted to kind of replicate that American mudroom feel, and so that's why we've chosen that slate looking floor tile. But then down here in the main kitchen, living, dining area, I wanted the warmth and coziness of traditional timber. So we've used all Godfrey Hirst, Astor, Regal oak throughout here, and again, just a perfect choice for this home.
So what's next for Front Porch Properties?
Oh, well, do you know, I've loved this particular project. It's been really special to me. Lots of blood, sweat and tears has gone into this one over the last 12 months. But I've loved every minute of it. So I'm hoping just to build more dream homes and keep making Brisbane beautiful.